Hi kids! Let's learn how plants make their food. Plants use three things: sunlight, water, and a gas called carbon dioxide. Using these, plants make food to grow. They also give us oxygen to breathe. Zoom into a leaf. Inside are tiny green parts called chloroplasts. A green pigment called chlorophyll catches sunlight, like tiny solar panels. Water moves up from roots and is split. Oxygen bubbles are released into the air. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf and, with the sunlight energy, makes a sugar called glucose, plant food. The plant uses glucose to grow tall, make fruits, and store energy. Oxygen goes into the air. Remember, sunlight plus water plus CO2 food plus oxygen.